Why can't I stand up fast in deep water? When we're teaching beginner swimmers how to swim, one of the first lessons we do is teach them how to stand up after floating. And this can be challenging for some people. And then they work on it, and we go to the deep end, and then they can't stand up. How does standing up work in the deep end? Well, let me tell you, it doesn't. If you're having trouble standing in the shallow end, it's okay. You can still go have fun and learn things in the deep end, because we never stand up in the deep end. Then your internal parts might be freaking out. What do you mean we never stand up? Standing up for a beginner swimmer is the way to access air. In the deep end, we use the wall as the way to access air instead of standing up. We don't want to be looking for standing up as our safety mechanism. Matter of fact, we don't even want to use getting to the wall as our safety mechanism. Safety comes from being in your body, being calm in your body, understanding what's happening in your body. This is how you access being able to stand in shallow end, or hold on or let go of the wall in the deep end, or how to swim, or any of the things. When you have calm confidence in yourself, this is where our skills come forward with ease and flow. The goal has to be more focused around understanding the trust and safety in your body than accomplishing the skill. The skill will come secondary to it. Have fun practicing the physical and the mental.